Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have Shopify and a theme. Start by installing a Wishlist app or preparing to add code. First, back up your live theme so you can revert if needed. Next, install the app or create a duplicate theme and open the code editor. Once done, identify where product forms render. That's the injection point for Wishlist buttons. Make sure you have app API keys if required, and verify storefront access. This avoids permission errors later in development. Now add the interactive elements. Inject the Wishlist button into product, cart, and collection templates. Use Ajax or the app SDK to avoid full-page reloads. This improves UX. Hook button clicks to add or remove items, and update button state dynamically. Save Wishlist data to customer meta fields if customers log in, or to the app backend with an identifier for guests. Make sure scripts are loaded once and namespaced to prevent conflicts with other theme JavaScript. Finish by creating a Wishlist page template that reads saved item ID and renders product snippets. You'll fetch product data via Storefront API or app endpoints, then display images, prices, and remove to cart actions. Once done, style responsively and add clear empty state messaging. Test both logged in and guest scenarios and ensure syncing between devices if supported. If something fails, check console for JS errors. Confirm API.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.